Hi, I'm Grant. If I look tired, it's because I am tired, and it's the morning, and I'm not usually up this early to record. But I'm making a new schedule, so I'm recording earlier now. Bitcoin, 33,000. Still, it's been a while that we've been here, since May 19th. Should we be selling? Should we be in fear of the imminent crash to 10,000 that people are talking about? No. Alright, so enough playing around. I feel like we have bottomed out. And when I say that, God, Jesus. And when I say that, I don't mean that I think that we are never going to go under 28,000 ever again in the ever of whatever. Some people can say that we're seeing this, and we are seeing a really ugly Head and Shoulders. I don't think that's the case. Here's why. This is not typically a head. That's not what a head looks like. And honestly, this isn't much of a shoulder. And honestly, we've just been battling this 30 to 40,000 level since May 19th, which is 2 months ago, basically, at this point. It's, July 12th is the time I'm recording this. But 2 months. And we've just been going up and down and up and down and up and down. We've been kissing 40K a couple times just to see if we can break it. We can't. But I think what's more important here is that we're also breaking 20K, like, what, 3 times? 5 times? Yeah, we've broken 20K like 5 times, and we've yet to make a move downward. And here's what that makes me think. I believe that we bottomed. I believe that there's too much buying pressure at 20K. And the reason I think that is, not too long ago, the price to break was 60,000, and we kissed it a few times, but we can never concretely break the $60,000 level. And when I see this, all I think is, hey man, we've been kissing 20K quite a few times here. And when you can't break a price level, it's gotta go the other way. If you look at it objectively and you see this whole chart, this could be a rounding bottom. It could, we're just gonna keep looking at 20K, but if we can't break that level concretely with significant volume, which we have not seen significant volume anywhere in these patterns, except for when we first hit get the candle to 20K, and right after we get a bounce every single time. And again, that just reminds me of when we went to 60,000 and we were trying to concretely break 60,000. We couldn't stay there. It was only there for like a day. We'd sometimes get these little wicks up to 60,000 and then we'd go crashing down the next day. It was unsustainable. The unfortunate part of this whole situation is just because we have failed to break to 20,000 doesn't mean that, 1, we can't wick to it, and 2, we're headed back for all-time highs. In fact, that's probably the saddest part about all this, is if you bought at all-time highs, you're still holding for a while. But yeah, just because we have too many buyers here doesn't mean that we're going to have too many buyers here. It was a big problem before. It doesn't mean it's not going to be a problem again. We need more bullish news. We need some momentum. We need more people coming back to Bitcoin. And this was a huge shakeout. We lost a lot of people coming down here, which is... People lost a lot of money going from 56,000 all the way to 28. I am down a lot of money. I didn't lose it because I didn't sell. I'm not a wuss. But I didn't lose it. And don't take offense if you sold, because actually you're in a much better position than I am right now. But yeah, just because we're going all the way down to 28,000, we're not breaking it, we're going to turn around. That doesn't mean we're going to hit all-time highs anytime soon. I'm sure at some point we're going to test all-time highs again. This isn't the end of Bitcoin, like everyone's, well, not everyone, but some of these crypto YouTubers that just want views are saying it is. I think it's going to be a slow ride back up. I think we might wick here and here again. We actually just had a wick down to this 32,000 level, and that was supposed to be breaking it down from a ascending triangle that we had for a while that everyone was really hoping we weren't going to break down from. But we broke down. We didn't even go back to 20K. We didn't even break down 29K, honestly. And yeah, we're still trading sideways like we've been doing for the past 3 months. And again, what this tells me is we keep testing this 29,000 level and we keep not breaking it. So eventually we got to go up. And does that mean we're going to hit all time highs in August? Maybe, but probably not. We're probably going to be having a slow, and unfortunate rise. 40K is going to be a big battle zone. 35K is going to be a big battle zone. But yeah, man. I mean, sorry. But yeah, man, it's just going to be a slow rise, and that's just what we're going to have to put up with because we don't have a lot of the people that we had buying when we were buying all the way upward, when Bitcoin was this super sexy thing that was giving everyone 10x, 20x, 100x returns. You know, to get those buyers back, we're going to have to do something big. We're going to have to get back to 50K. We're going to have to get back to 60K, and that's going to be tough, and that's going to take a lot of time. So if you're looking for huge 20-30% swings, I don't think you're going to see it anytime soon. A 20%, 30% swing to the downside still wouldn't surprise me, but again, I would probably see it in the way of a wick. Just because we've tried so many times to break 20K, and every time we break 20K, we see a significant volume like bounce back to the upside, back into 30. Do I think we're gonna break 30K anytime soon? No, not really. I think we're gonna be in 30K for a while, just because we have to test so many levels. There's so many key resistances that we have to... I don't have them all up here. I only have like 10 more minutes to record, but yeah, I mean like the 35K, 38K, 40K. There's so much to do in terms of getting back up to all-time highs. I don't think we're gonna see it anytime soon. I definitely don't sue me, bro. I don't see this as us crashing to 20K. I don't see this as us crashing to 15K. If we went down to 20K in one giant wick, then fine, but I honestly don't think we'd hold there without seeing a significant bounce back to the upside. And that's pretty much it for me, because I'm in here, and I'm going to be holding my long position and waiting for... Actually, I averaged down to 45,000, so I'm solid. I didn't buy at 64. I bought at 55 and kept buying all the way down. Dollar cost averaging, still my play. I don't put my whole account in up here when I see a drop, and I don't sell my whole account when we drop down to 30. And just because that has never worked for me. I mean, sure, maybe in a bull trend, you can get away with, okay, I bought here, and then we crashed, and now I'm crying. But oh wait, we're in a bull trend, and I can just wait for a week, and we're back up to 60K. No, in a bear trend, you got to be a lot more careful about when you put in your buy orders, especially if you're putting in buy orders for your whole account. And so what I've been doing is I've just been dollar cost averaging. You know, every time Bitcoin hits a new low, I put a little bit of money in, and that's just my strategy. But I think that 28K was the bottom. If we wick below it, it wouldn't surprise me. We keep failing to break 20K, so I think that we're going to eventually start turning up to the upside. I hope we hit all-time high soon. Obviously, I have long positions of Bitcoin. I'm just saying this could take some time. Don't expect a huge 50-60% swing to the upside in one day. And yeah, that is why I believe that Bitcoin has bottomed out, or is bottoming out. And is this a head and shoulders pattern that's going to bring us down to 15,000? No. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video if you like the video. Be sure to subscribe for more content. I am planning to record a lot more. I set up a schedule where I'm able to record, and my girlfriend's able to do her thing because I share a room with her right now. And yeah, that's going to be it for me. Bye.